Before I proceed to introduce my speakers, I wish to invite the Dean of the UPSA Law School, Dr. Ernest Kofi Abochi, to give us introductory remarks. Mr. Dr. Abochi, please, you're welcome.
Thank you. Thank you, moderator. The Deputy Governor of the Bank of Ghana, Madam Elsie Apaji, Mr. Felix Ado, who I have known in various positions, so I'm not even sure how to introduce, but I can only say that they're expecting insolvency-related things, but certainly with Garia, moderator, distinguished colleagues, ladies and gentlemen, the UPSA Law School is delighted to have the opportunity of hosting these distinguished personalities to undertake a discussion in the most relevant topic of our time as far as banking and the financial industry is concerned. The UPSA Quarterly Banking Roundtable is designed or positioned to become the most important platform for a discussion on banking-related issues and issues affecting the financial industry, generally speaking. The platform is designed to bring together core stakeholders and persons who are well-versed in the subject to undertake a conversation that hopefully will lead to policy changes that may lead to all kinds of reform in that sector. As alluded to by the moderator, the sector witnessed recently some instability, and we are not even sure whether we are out of it yet. Hopefully, the platform will be an engaging conversation that would lead to concrete changes that will help our country moving forward. The topic is apposite indeed and relevant, and I'm hopeful that at the end of it all, we shall all be benefited. The UPSA Law School is proud of its relationship with UPSA Bank Ghana Limited, which has sponsored this program, and we wish to thank them. UPSA has demonstrated leadership in the field as a bank, and we're hopeful that our relationship and partnership would result in helpful changes in the sector so that we can all have a banking industry in Ghana that we're proud of. So I welcome everyone to this conversation, and I do hope that the conversation would indeed be productive so that we are all benefited. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Dean, for keeping it brief. I understand our audience is waiting to hear the wonderful stories of our sector. So we don't want to give so much introductories. We'll zoom straight into the actual discussions with our speakers, but I have the duty to introduce our speakers for today. I understand ladies first, so I'll start with Madam Elsie Ado-Awadzi. Mrs. Elsie Ado-Awadzi is the second Deputy Governor of the Bank of Ghana. She has oversight responsibilities for the regulation and supervision of banks and other licensed financial institutions, financial stability, and a number of other key areas of the bank's operations. She supports the governor in steering the affairs of the bank. Elsie is a legal governance and international finance professional with over 24 years of professional experience in Ghana and abroad. Before her appointment as the Deputy Governor in February 2018, she was Senior Counsel of the IMF's Legal Department in charge of Financial and Fiscal Law Unit, where she worked for 6 years in advising IMF member countries and authorities, mostly finance ministries and central banks in Africa, Asia, the Caribbean, Europe, and the Middle East on banking sector regulatory reforms, banking sector crisis management, and public financial management reforms. Before joining the IMF in 2012, Mrs. Ado-Awadzi was a two-term commissioner of Ghana's Securities and Exchange Commission, and in that role was active in formulating policies and rules to regulate the capital market. She was called to the Ghana Bar in April 1996 and thereafter worked with major law firms in Ghana, including one she founded and ran for 10 years, and designed several financial sector legal and regulatory reforms in Ghana and other African countries. She also worked briefly as a senior treasury dealer at Barclays Bank, Ghana. Elsie holds academic qualifications in law and finance from Georgetown University of Law Center, Ghana School of Law, University of Ghana Business School, and University of Ghana Faculty of Law. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm sure you agree with me that we couldn't have had a better person than Mrs. Elsie Ado Awazi. Madam, you are welcome.
Thank you. Thank you.
Our second speaker is in the person of Mr. Felix Ado. Felix Ado is the board chairman, amongst other several boards that he serves on. He's currently the board chairman of Guinness Ghana Breweries PLC and was immediate past country senior partner of PricewaterhouseCoopers Ghana and a former member of the PwC Africa Governance Board. Felix is the president of GARIA and is a founding member of the INSOL African Roundtable, and his insolvency experience includes liquidation advisor for then national airline Ghana Airways, Bank for Housing and Construction, and Cooperative Bank. He is presently the Bank of Ghana advisor to the distressed National Investment Bank. Felix was a member of the Justice Dateba Business Law Reform Committee of Experts, which reviewed the Ghana Companies Act and the Body's Corporate Insolvency Act. Felix was recently honored with the Doctor of Science by the University of Mines and Technology, Takwa,